Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am going to do a lot of garden cleanup, harvest all of my peppers. I take y'all around for whatever I got to do today. So stick around and stay tuned for that. All right, let's rock and roll. Get these things repotted. I'm going to start with this Anaheim pepper. And that might still not fit in there. It ain't. We need a bigger one. That still ain't gonna fit. Need a taller one. Yep. That's it. It's gonna be it. Alright. And because this dirt is dry, I'm going to press it down in here. Because it's going to settle once it gets wet. Alright, one down. It's getting cold and dark. But alright. Give it a little bit more soil. I bought a greenhouse, but it won't go in there today. Alright, Anaheim. Let's see what else we can get. This can probably stay in this pot. This is a banana pepper. A little soil at the bottom. And all we're trying to do over the winter is keep the roots alive. We're not trying to grow anything or anything like that. So just put it in some good potting soil, which I'm using this Fox Farm, which is very good soil. It already has nutrients in it. And I'm going to get some of my rainwater and water it in. So that's 2. And I'm just going to keep them in this tray in the house. That thing fell over somewhere and I don't see it. Oh, there it is. They say this is a chocolate bell, but only one of them got chocolate, so yeah. Alright. Next up is this is the serrano pepper. See if we can get this root ball in here. They're too heavy for these little pots, but I'm going to stack them close together and let them hold each other up. Or use that little thing right there, because ain't nobody got time for that. And some of them are going to fit in here, and some of them going to need bigger pots. We're going to make it do what it do. And I'm going to bottom water them, so they'll be fine. Water is already in here, the bottom water. Make sure we stick the tags back in them. This one has 3. I'll put all 3 of them in there. Alright. This is the jalapeno. I don't think it's going to fit in that. Or that. But it will fit in that. So, we're going to put some at the bottom. And then we're going to stuff his little roots on down in there. And we're going to give it some soil. Press it down in there firmly. And there we have it for that one. And we tag it. Uh-oh. They're trying to lose their tags. Alright, this one is the JR Macaroni. And we'll need a bigger pot for that one. Okay, this we do. Got this one. I save pots. I don't miss them out. I don't do none of that. I just save them. I ain't never had no problem. Not telling you what to do, but I ain't got time to be washing out no pots. So, dirt. They want to live, they will survive. They don't, they won't. And I can't be babysitting them. Alright. Give him his tag back. JR Macaroni. Alright. And this is Black Hungarian. This one will fit in this spot, I believe. We got 2 tags Let's make sure. I need something tall. I need to cut these roots down a little more, which is what I'm gonna do. Then it'll fit. Yep. Yep. And yep. Alright. Smushy, smushy. Smushy, smushy. I'm gonna leave them out here tonight. It ain't gonna get cold tonight. I bought a greenhouse. Tractor Supply got greenhouses on sale for, make sure y'all know. Yep. $25. So go get you one if you want one of them little cheap greenhouses. That's where I'm gonna put them. With a little additional insulation. Put y'all over here with your buddies. Alright, next one is the banana pepper. As it says on here, it fit in there very well. Didn't he no help? This thing got cold out here. My fingertips frozen. So I need to hurry. Hurry. Alright. Stick little buddy back in there. Stick it right there. Alright, got 2 more to go. Alright, and this is the shishito pepper. It's a little wild. I'll cut these side ones off. There we go. And it'll go in there. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. Without a fight. And last but not least, this is the fish pepper. Oops, well, a little dirt in here. And we're gonna stuff him. Stuffy stuff. And then I'll do with the tag. Let's tap into the tag. There it is. It fell. Fish pepper. Got a little piece sticking out. Give it a little more soil. See if we can get that covered. And that's it. They are all in here. Everybody got some water, except for them big ones. So let's get them some rainwater. We're gonna bottom water them all. I'm put a little bit on the top. And it's gonna just run its way just straight through it, but we're gonna do it all the same. So that they can drink it up by the more. Alright. That's enough. I'm gonna set you right here. And that is it. Besides the one that's the Jimmy Nardone. And I'm not repotting it right now. We have all of them in a pot. This is the soil that I use. The Fox Farm Ocean Forest. It's a really good soil. It's potting soil with fertilizer. And it's for indoor and outdoor plants. Already has nutrients in it. And then this is the other one that I think I'm just going to leave it in here and put it in the greenhouse. I may take it out and put it in one of those bigger pots just so that it's warmer. Because these aren't warm in the winter. The plastic will keep it a little bit more warmer, but that's it. Alright guys, that is it for my peppers, for me harvesting them as well as overwintering them. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.